If you want the covers most jobs toolbox starter, DEWALT DCK277D2 combo, drill plus impact driver, 2 batteries, charger usually shows up as one of the most recommended value bundles. The combo packs brushless motors in both tools for longer runtime and less maintenance, and buyers like the compact footprint for trim work, deck installs, and general construction. The listing shows the kit as a high-value, highly rated option. Prices shift with promos and battery size in the bundle, so check the live listing for the present price. But historically, this combo is one of the best value entries into the DEWALT ecosystem. Real users rave about out-of-the-box usefulness. The drill handles pilot holes and typical fastening tasks with ease, and the impact driver delivers surprisingly punch for its size. Pros include brushless efficiency, the convenience of 2 batteries so you can keep working, and DEWALT's great accessory compatibility. Negatives are mostly situational. This combo is not a heavy masonry solution, and the small batteries that sometimes ship with discounts will drain quickly under sustained load. If you want an everyday, go-to pair that won't weigh you down and plugs into a huge battery ecosystem, the DCK277D2 remains a top practical choice. Pros: great value, compact ergonomics, brushless longevity. Cons: not a substitute for dedicated masonry tools. Choose battery capacity smartly. We share by links in description box.